Hey everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. In this training video, I'm going to walk you through the redesign of our app drawers interface and how your staff members can easily use this new feature to declutter the app drawer and only focus on the apps that they frequently use for their daily operations. With the app drawer interface being redesigned, first of all, let's take at the top navigation bar, which is this bar on top. So you can see the design has changed, and if I click on the search bar, you can also see that it does look a little bit different just in terms of the redesign. Now let's look at the actual app drawer itself. So that'll be with the flower icon on the top left-hand corner. If we click on that, we'll bring up the app drawer. So from here, if you remember, previously all the apps were listed out on the app drawer. Nowadays, with this redesign, we've gone ahead and only added a few apps onto the app drawer front, which is what we're seeing right now. However, we've hidden the rest of the apps under the View All option. So if I were to go to click on View All here, we can see all the apps that are available to us based on alphabetical order. And you can see the categories A, C, D, E, F, etc., etc. And we can also use the search bar up top. Let's say, for example, I want to look for Fit Live or Fit Vid. I can type in the word fit. And if it matches the criteria, it'll bring up, in this case, Fit Live and Fit Vid for me. And then therefore, I can go ahead and open those apps. Now, if we want to add any of these apps into the actual front facing of the app drawer, we can simply locate the app that we want. So let's say, for example, we use Fit Live a lot. I can go to Fit Live, use the three-dot option on the right-hand side, and use the option Pin to App Drawer. So once I do that, we can now see Fit Live is now added to my app drawer. Now from here, if we wanted to, obviously we can go ahead and unpin it as well. So by clicking on the three dots again beside the app that we no longer want on the app drawer and go unpin from app drawer. And similarly to the design previously, we can drag and drop the order of these apps if we wish to, just by clicking, holding, and then dragging and dropping. And then to view any of the web apps, we have the option down here. If I hover over it, we can see the client web app, attendance, self-check-in, self-registration. And furthermore, I can go ahead and click on the three dots again and see if I can open a new tab, open it, or I can also view the description of this specific app. And below that, we do have another option to get to the help section, which is usually on the top right-hand side corner as well. So if I click on help, the help center will come up as well. Now, with regards to the theme itself, so right now you can see it's a custom theme with a background color, and this is actually in our setup. And within our setup on the left-hand side, we went to look and feel in the staff back office. So with the theme, because previously in my business, I was already live, I've chosen a background color and an icon and text color. That's why it's now showing as white on the top. So this is more for businesses that have never customized their top navigation bar or just any part of the look and feel before. If they've never customized the colors in the look and feel settings, the default theme that will be applied once the Sprint 51 gets released is a dark theme. So a dark theme would typically be just like a darker background theme, like black, for example. So that'll be applied to any businesses that have never touched or customized their look and feel settings before. And now why this is a great feature is if I open back up the app drawer again, we can see that there is a big opportunity here for businesses to declutter their app drawer, right? Because I'm sure with every businesses, there's going to be apps that they use very frequently versus apps that maybe they never use or use infrequently. So in this scenario, they can pick and choose which apps exactly to put in here without needing to sort through which apps they want to use. And then thus they can declutter the app drawer and make their daily operations a lot more effective in finding the apps that they need to use. One thing to note about the app drawer is that this is customizable per staff member. So it's not for the entire business. So let's say right now I'm logged in as Janice. I have Fit Live here. If I were to log in as another staff member who's never gone ahead and configured this, I will not have Fit Live added or pinned to my app drawer because this is unique per staff member for them to personalize it for themselves.